the world's first all-in-one indoor Ion Air Purifier with fragrance dispenser. Compact design with 0.9 kilograms net weight. Molecular materials and advanced negatively ion-charged air technology utilized to purify up to 99.5% of viruses and eliminate dust. Fragrance dispensing system with easily replaceable cartridges, offering range of uplifting scents for personalized and refreshing indoor experience. Plug and play, no HEPA filter is needed. Proudly engineered in Norway, improves comfort and hygiene in small indoor spaces. 20 square meter spaces, powerful and whisper quiet. Ambient light, real-time air quality feedback, making small spaces more breathable than ever.